I would have to examine all of them. I saw in my shopping that taxes went up, and I questioned it at the time that it did on purchases. The cost of food is frightening anymore, and it has to do with hydrocarbons, not the cost of food. To keep money as close to where it is created, if there is a need that the community can meet, it needs to meet it. I think that there is excessive expenditures everywhere. The cost of education keeps students out. If you lower the cost of education, you get more students, you get more money. So I think there's been a lot of people reaching into government, reaching into the community, looking for expenditures that we just don't need to make. And some of the decisions within communities have been made by people outside of our communities. I would cite the automobile industry. We pay way too much, and if a community had the freedom to make choices that are being made for it, they'd be less expensive. They'd be there's a lot less expense. You can rethink everything. If you give the individuals, the community, the family the responsibility, and you support the choices that they see for their communities, but the people of the communities.